Here's an air handler.
After 40 years of being employed as a maintenance person for the Boyertown School District, Mr. Lee Horn will be retiring on January 15th. He started his employment for Boyertown in 1981 as a plumber and was promoted to foreman and eventually supervisor of facilities and operations.
I'm kind of like the front line man for emergencies. I'll get the phone calls, hey, this is down, hey, this is down. We have no heat at the building, so I'll go out to the building and see why we don't have heat. If I got to call in the maintenance guys to give me a hand, or if it's something simple that I can, take care of, I will.
Mr. Horn graduated from Boyertown High School in 1974 and was also a student at BCTC. After being hired by the Boyertown School District, he enjoyed getting a chance to see some of his former teachers.
What was nice was some of the older teachers that I had. Now I could call them by their first name. One of the teachers that I can remember was Roy Kubler, because he was my wrestling coach. He was my English teacher. Then he became principal, and it was nice that he allowed me to call him Roy.
Although it's been 46 years since he graduated from Boyertown High School, Mr. Horn feels the students haven't changed much.
Boyertown's very fortunate for the student bodies that they have. They're good kids. We really don't have a lot of vandalism. For the most part, the kids are just like they were back then. I don't really see a big difference.
After retiring, Mr. Horn is mostly looking forward to taking some time to relax.
I think I'm just going to kick back for a little bit, just to relax, enjoy life. It's going to be kind of nice to maybe go through a major snowstorm and not have to shovel my driveway to get to work so that I can shovel the district out. It's going to be kind of nice to sit there and just watch it snow and then go out and worry about it later.
Mr. Horn is grateful for the opportunity to work for the Boyertown School District for 40 years, and he is proud of his time spent here.
I treated this as though, it was for myself. I very rarely try to go to the outside for myself. I try to do all the repairs that I can, or fixing up stuff and painting and just building things. We try to do as much as we can within the district that we can. I'm going to miss working here. It's been my life, emergencies and just normal working days. Yeah, there were times that I slept here, because a boiler wasn't running or staying up running, and I had to try to keep it running. So yeah, I'm going to miss that kind of stuff. I'm going to miss it.
We would like to thank Mr. Horn for his 4 decades of service to the Boyertown Area School District, and we wish him the very best in his retirement. Reporting for Bash TV News, this is Connor Sargent.